in University of Agricultural Sciences, Bangalore with 86.10 percentile. I joined the institute in December 2021. About the institute, I am from non-IT background, so it's very important for the freshers to enter the IT background is that we have to gain technical knowledge about the languages. So I joined the Python course. They trained me technically. They made me technically strong. And about the HR, is they give very good information about the courses and the classes and all the instructions. I am now I placed as a assistant system engineer with 3.36 LPA.